Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to be using another one of our alcohol ink backgrounds that I showed you earlier on in the week how to produce. It just gives you a really nice background, something to stamp straight onto. So we're going to be inking up Sebastian today in our VersaFine Nocturne. Now this one's quite a big stamp, so do try and make sure that you've got him completely covered, and just take your time and just check. Okay, I think we've got him. So pop him down in the centre there, give him a good press, make sure that you cover all that area, work your way around the block, let him rest a while, and that way hopefully we'll get a really nice sharp image. It's just about taking your time. Okay, there we go, perfect. So I'm going to use one of our other stamps here. This is a really nice textured stamp which will work well with under the sea kind of effect. This time I'm going to use the Twilight. So inking up, I'm going to stamp off first. And you can see it just gives us a nice textured background. Okay, so now we're going to take a nice fine brush and picking a couple of the brushes that I've watered down, I'm going to work my way around Sebastian just to make him stand out. Okay, don't worry too much about going over the lines, and build up your colour gradually. This will make him really stand out. I'm going to add a little bit of blue in there as well. Okay, so taking a colour now, I'm going to go around the edge. This is cornflower. Just work your way around. Okay. Now we're going to use the word dream and inking up in the Versa mark. I'm going to pop that across the top there, And then using our dots, I'm just going to pop some of the dots around the edge over this dark blue. Okay, and then taking our Ocean Pearl mica minerals, and just pop that over the top, and I'm going to go over the dots as well, and that looks lovely. Lovely over the blue. Okay, I hope you can see that. Just show you into the camera again. Look at that mica. That is so nice. Okay, so I'm going to just pull out a little bit of detail in the seahorse now. Now you can use any colour you want. I'm just using the copper. I'm just following some of the lines that I've created, that I've drawn on the stamp initially, and just follow those. It makes it easy then. There's lots of different colours that they do in these jelly rolls, so feel free to experiment. You don't have to use the same colour as what I'm using. I just love colouring in. It's very therapeutic, isn't it? Just adding a few more little swirls around him. There we go. Okay. I hope you can see that now, how that copper has just pulled out that detail in him. Okay guys, well thanks ever so much for watching and joining me again today. I hope you enjoyed the demo. You take care and we'll speak to you real soon. Bye for now guys.